I have to admit, I've never done this before. So, I've done videos a few times, but I've never grown lavender from seeds. So this year we had some head coat that I really wanted to try growing from seeds. So, I left a few of the flowers to mature and then cut them. They're like this. So the seed pods dry out and then the little seeds are in there. I brought them inside. We had about 12 plants that I left of head coat. I had trouble getting head coat this year to plant. For some reason they didn't grow for the greenhouse grower. Now I need to sift through and start the process. How is that for a bag of lavender seed? The ripe seed heads from 12 plants that we left. So the process is to rub the seed heads, separate the seed from the chaff, and then sift it. And from what I read, it's good to mimic what nature does, so I'm going to put all the seeds in the refrigerator for about 21 days or so. It'll take about a month for them to germinate, and then about 3 months to grow into any, decent sized plant that I can transplant. So I'm going to plan on doing that this winter. I'll fill you in on the whole process. Boy, that tickles my nose. I need to take the sieve and sift it smaller and smaller until hopefully I just get the seeds left. Those seeds are so tiny. It probably won't be till this winter sometime when I show you the sprouts, and I'm real hopeful. So if this works, I'll keep you filled in. If it doesn't work, you'll probably never hear from me again. If you have any comments, any hints that you can give me, leave them in the comments below, and see you next time.